My name is Jackie Emmons, and I'm an area sales manager for Impression Homes. One of the tools that I was struggling with in the field was the plat map. So I took a course and Ralph really broke down the purpose of the plat map. So using that to build urgency. So you can go from having 30 available home sites, but once you have found out what the buyer's wants and needs are in their in the lot that they are looking for, you can really narrow down to specifically, instead of having 20 lots, you may only have 2 or 3 lots that fit that buyer's need. And that was really powerful for me to learn how to use the plat map in the field to the best of my ability. Anytime that there was a sales course offered with Sales Solve Everything, I immediately was the first one to raise my hand. I always wanted to go to it because I knew once I implemented what I had learned in the courses, I saw a dramatic increase in my sales. After 15 years in new home sales, I thought I was pretty successful. Did a lot of training courses, but for some reason I always felt limited. After Sales Solve Everything, my sales became limitless, and I learned how to use all the tools to the best of my ability. If you're a new home builder or if you're a sales manager and you're looking to really invest in your sales team, I definitely recommend Sales Solve Everything, not only from a salesperson standpoint, from the manager standpoint. What I have learned after implementing Sales Solve Everything for our sales team is this program truly empowers them to take control of their business, take control of their success, and when they're successful, we're successful.